Welcome to Maths Classes 7-8 CBSE by GK Pillai. This is the second video on the chapter Power Play of Class 8. The chapter is on exponents and powers and on scientific notation or standard form of large and very small numbers. Answers to textbook questions and some practice questions will be discussed in this video. As already stated by me, my videos are based on the new syllabus and textbooks of classes 7 and 8. Subscribe to my channel and encourage others also to do so. Offer your comments in the comment section. This will help me in making any change in my future videos. Here you will find a small definition of exponents. Very large numbers as well as very small numbers are difficult to read, understand and compare. This is what we do with numbers. To make these numbers easy to read, understand and compare, we use exponents. Here there are two examples. One is a large number and the other one is a small number. Distance between Sun and Saturn is this much meter. This can be written in the exponential notation as 1.4335 into 10 to the power of 12. About this I will be discussing later on. The size of a plant cell is 0.00001275 meter and this can be written as 1.275 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Here are the laws of exponents. I have already explained clearly and in details in my first video about laws of exponents. So here I am just mentioning the laws of exponents only. E to the power of m into e to the power of n equal to e to the power of m plus n. The bases are same, powers are different, multiplication sign, so we add the powers. Second one, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. Bases same, powers are different, division sign. So we will subtract here. These are the examples. E to the power of m whole power n equal to e to the power of mn. It may be n to the power of m also. E to the power of m into b to the power of m equal to ab whole power m. Here the powers are same but the bases are different. Then you will write like this. Here 5 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 3. Since the powers are same, we will write 5 into 2 raised to the power of 3. The next one, it is the same way. A to the power of m upon b to the power of m equal to a upon b whole power m. Here there is an example. And the next one, you should know this one also. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. X to the power of 0 is 1. 3 to the power of 0 is 1. Anything you write, put it in a bracket and put a 0 as a power, the value will be 1 only. Let me start discussing the answers to the textbook questions. Let me tell you one thing in the beginning. Here I am not giving any question number here, but I will be discussing the questions in the same order as given in your textbooks. There may be some extra questions or there may be very limited questions left out. The first one, express the following as a product of prime numbers and write in the exponential form. 648, this is an even number, start dividing by 2. You keep on dividing till the time you get an even number. Then you should know the divisibility rule of 3. Not only 3, you should know the divisibility rule of 5, 7, etc. You can prime factorize this number like this. So your answer will be 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 4. 405. Again, this is divisible by 3 and also 5. You will get the answer 3 to the power of 4 into 5. 540. Again, it's an even number and also it is divisible by 3 and 5. You will get your answer like this. 3600, your answer will be this. 22500, I think this is an extra question, so your answer will be this one. The next one, which expression describes the thickness of a sheet of paper after it is folded 10 times? The initial thickness is represented by the letter number V. There is an identical question in your textbook as an example. Here, your answer is 2 to the power of 10 into V. 2 to the power of 10 into V. This one is the answer. V multiplied by 2 to the power of 10. This one. Write the following as a power of power in two different ways. Here, 8 to the power of 6. I am writing 8 as 2 to the power of 3 and the 6 remains here. Next time I can do 6 inside and 3 outside. The next one, 7 to the power of 15. I am writing this as 7 to the power of 3 whole power 5. Again 5 inside and 3 outside. Your answer will be the same. It will be 7 raised to the power of 15 only. 9 to the power of 14. 9 is 3 squared. Keep 14 outside. Bring 14 inside and 2 outside. You can have a different version also. 5 to the power of 8. 5 raised to the power of 2 whole power 4. Or 5 raised to the power of 4 whole power 2. You can write in different ways also. Write the numerical value of each of the following. Whenever you are told to write the numerical value, you have to simplify till the end. You should get this kind of values. If you are asked to write in the exponential form only, then you can leave it in the exponential form like this. Sometimes they will say write in the exponential form with a positive exponent. Then you should always keep a positive exponent only. First one, 2 into 10 to the power of 3. That will be 2 into 1000. The answer is 2000. These are all simple sums, not difficult. But being the textbook questions, I have to work it out. 7 squared into 2 cube. 49 into 8. 3 into 4 to the power of 4. 4 to the power of 4 is 4 into 4 16. 16 into 16 is 256. So 3 into 256, 768. Minus 3 to the power of 2 into minus 5 to the power of 2. Both are, the powers are same. So you can put in a bracket and multiply these two. That will be, otherwise also you can do this way. Minus 3 raised to the power of 2 will be 9. And minus 5 raised to the power of 2 will be 25. Multiply and write. 3 squared into 10 to the power of 4. 3 squared is 9. This will be 10,000. Your answer will be 90,000. Minus 2 raised to the power of 5 into minus 10 raised to the power of 6. See, one thing is there. This is an even number. So this minus can go. That will be 1000000. So this minus 2 to the power of 5 will remain as minus 32 only. So your answer will be minus 32 and 000000. The next one, write equivalent forms of the following. 2 to the power of minus 4. This can be written as 1 upon 2 raised to the power of 4. This minus, the power minus 4 will go. It will be plus 4 only. 10 to the power of minus 5 will be 1 upon 10 to the power of 5. Minus 7 raised to the power of minus 2 will be 1 upon minus 7 to the power of 2. This minus sign will not change. The next one, minus 5 raised to the power of minus 3 will be 1 upon minus 5 to the power of 3. And the minus sign will not go, only this power. This will change. 10 to the power of minus 100 will be 1 upon 10 to the power of 100. Now the next one, simplify and write the answers in the exponential form. Whenever you are told to write in the exponential form, you don't have to go further. Sometimes they may tell you to write in the positive, write with a positive exponent. 2 to the power of minus 4 into 2 to the power of 7 equal to multiplication sign, base the same. You have to add the powers. Your answer will be 2 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 2 into 3 raised to the power of minus 5 into 3 raised to the power of 6. The bases are same. Add the powers. Your answer will be 3 raised to the power of 3. And the next one, p raised to the power of 3 into p raised to the power of minus 10 equal to p raised to the power of 3 plus minus 10. Your answer will be p to the power of minus 7. It is not necessary that you should have numbers. It can be variables also. 2 to the power of 4 into minus 4 raised to the power of minus 2. Here bases are not same. We will do something to change it. We are writing this one as minus 2 raised to the power of 2. Here it is going to be 2 to the power of 4 into minus 2 to the power of minus 4. This minus sign will not go now. Now let us write this one as 1 upon minus 2 to the power of 4. This minus sign is changing. At this stage you can write this one as 1 upon 4 or 2 to the power of 4. Sorry. It will be 1 upon 2 to the power of 4 and these two get cancelled. So your ultimate answer will be 1. Another one, very simple one. 8 to the power of p into 8 to the power of q will be 8 to the power of p plus q. This one is a good question. The first one, how many times larger than 4 to the power of minus 2 is 4 squared? This is 1 upon 4 to the power of 2 actually. So 4 to the power of minus 2 can be written as 1 upon 4 raised to the power of 2. That will be 1 by 16. But 4 squared is 16 only. Now 4 squared is greater than 4 to the power of minus 2 by 16 into 16, that is 256 times. I'll tell you why it is. 1 by 16, when you multiply by 16, 16 get cancelled, you will get 1. But we want 16. So we will multiply once again by 16. So that is why for converting this into this, you have to multiply by 16 into 16, 256. Write the following in the expanded form and also using exponents. First we will write in the expanded form. This you have been doing in your earlier classes also. Then we will write in the exponential form. 6374. 6 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 4. When you write in the exponential form, it will be 6 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 3 into 10 squared plus 7 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 4. The next two are decimal numbers. 1025.63. 1 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1, and from here it will be 6 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. In the exponential form, 1 into 10 to the power of 3, 0 into 10 squared, 2 into 10 to the power of 1, 5 into 10 to the power of 0. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. 6 into 10 to the power of minus 1 and 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2 with a plus sign here. The next one, 1256.249. The first one, 1 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 10 plus 4 into 1 by 100 plus 9 into 1 by 1000. In the exponential form, 1 into 10 cube plus 2 into 10 squared plus 5 into 10 cube, 5 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power of 0 plus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2, and this will be 9 into 10 raised to the power of minus 3. Express the following numbers in the standard form. 59,853. This will be 5.9853 into 10 to the power of 4. You have to count from here 1, 2, 3 and 4. It will be 10 to the power of 4. 65,950. The same way you have to write 6.595 into 10 to the power of 4. Once again, from here there are 4 decimal places. There are 4 places. 0 is left out. 343 4 zeros. 3.43 into 10 to the power of 6. From here there are 6 places, 6 decimal places, or you can count 6 places here, 6 digits. This one 7.004 into 10 to the power of 10. From here up to this you will find 10 digits. After writing it as 7.004, we are writing this as an exponential form. You will find this question on page number 43 of your textbook under Figure It Out. The first one, find out the units digit in the value of 2 to the power of 224 divided by 4 to the power of 32. 2 to the power of 224 is nothing but 2 raised to the power of 2 whole power 112. e to the power of m whole power n. So this will be 4 to the power of 112, 2 squared is 4, and this will be 4 to the power of 32. Now you can subtract the powers because it is a division sign. 4 to the power of 80. Now 4 raised to the power of any even number. The value of that particular number will be ending with the digit 4 or 6. So the unit digit of this one will be 4 or 6. The next one, write the given number as the product of 2 or more powers in 3 different ways. The powers can be any integer. 64 to the power of 3, 8 squared raised to the power of 3, because 64 can be written as 8 squared. Now 3 inside and 2 can be outside. And the next one, 64 can be written as 4 raised to the power of 3, and this is 3 will remain outside. 4 to the power of 3 whole power 3. Next one, 192 raised to the power of 8. Actually 192 is 4 to the power of 3 into 3. 4 to the power of 3 is 64. 64 into 3 is 198 raised to the power of 8. Now you can separate it into 2. 4 to the power of 3 whole power 8 into 3 to the power of 8. Now once again 8 can be in, 3 can be outside. So 4 to the power of 8 raised to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 8. This is the way to write. Now 32 to the power of minus 3. We will write it as 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5 raised to the power of minus 3. We'll bring 3 inside and 5 outside, but the minus can be here. In the next step, what we will do, the minus sign will go. We can write it as 1 upon 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 5. Next one, examine each statement below and find out if it is always true, only sometimes true, or never true. Cube numbers are also square numbers, never true. Fourth powers are also square numbers, true. The fifth power of a number is divisible by the cube of that particular number, true only. The product of two cube numbers is a cube number, again true. Q to the power of 4 raised to the power of 6 is both a fourth power and a sixth power. Q is a prime number, that is true. These are very simple things. Here the question is, simplify and write this in the exponential form. These are not difficult, these are rather easy ones only. You have to apply the laws of exponents. 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5. You will add the powers, a to the power of m into a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m plus n. 10 to the power of minus 7. The next one, 5 to the power of 7 divided by 5 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 5 raised to the power of 7 minus 4, because this is a division sign. So your answer will be 5 raised to the power of 3. The next one, 9 raised to the power of minus 7 divided by 9 raised to the power of 4. So that will be 9 raised to the power of minus 7 minus 4. That will be 9 to the power of minus 11. The next one, 13 to the power of minus 2, the whole power minus 3. That will be minus into minus, it will be plus. So this will become 13 to the power of 6. The next one, m to the power of 5, n to the power of 12, and within bracket mn raised to the power of 9. We will just open the bracket. It will be m to the power of 5, n to the power of 12, and this will be m to the power of 9, n to the power of 9. We will write 9 on both these variables. Now this will become here. What we will do, we will add this, we will multiply this m to the power of 5 into m to the power of 9. That will be m to the power of 5 plus 9. The next one, n to the power of 12 plus 9. That will be 21. So your answer will be m to the power of 14, n to the power of 21. Here, this is a good question. If 12 raised to the power of 2 is 144, what is the value of these things? These numbers. The first one, 1.2 raised to the power of 2 will be, you must be knowing 1.44 only. 0.12 raised to the power of 2. Everywhere it is 2 only. So this will be 0.0144. 0.012 raised to the power of 2 will be 144 will be definitely there. But here there are 3 digits. So in the square there should be 6 digits. So you have to add more number of zeros. 120 raised to the power of 2 will be 14400 only. Circle the numbers that are the same. Here all these red marked numbers are the same only. 2 to the power of 3, 4 into 3 to the power of 6, 6 to the power of 4 into 3 squared, and 18 to the power of 2 into 6 to the power of 2. All are same. Identify the greater number in the following. Here, this type of sums are there. These are very good sums and important also. You will get in the exams. 4 to the power of 3 into or 3 to the power of 4. 4 raised to the power of 3 and 3 raised to the power of 4. This 4 is here and this 3 is here. In this, your answer should be 3 to the power of 4. The smaller base will be the greater one. 2 to the power of 8 into 8 or 8 to 8 squared. 2 to the power of 8 is greater than the other one. 100 squared or 2 to the power of 100. 2 raised to the power of 100 is greater than the other one. Here, 64 is a square number, 8 squared, and a cube number, 4 cube. Are there other numbers that are both squares and cubes? Is there a way to describe each such numbers in general? I haven't given that, but the answer is 729 can be written as 27 squared or 9 cube. So this can be written in the square form or the cubic form. The worldwide population of sheep 2024 is about 10 to the power of 9, and that of the goats is also the same. What is the total population of sheep and the goats? See, these two are the answers. In the simple manner, 10 to the power of 9 plus 10 to the power of 9. It is the same as 2 into 10 to the power of 9. This one, calculate and write the answer in scientific notation. There are about 100 million bee colonies in the world. Find the number of honeybees if each colony has about 50,000 bees. First of all, 100 million, we will make it as 100 into 1, this many zeros. When you multiply this by 50,000, your answer will be 5 into 10 to the power of 12. That is the number of bees. That is given in the scientific notation. Now you will have some practice questions. The next one, simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. 2 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 8, the whole power 5 into 2 to the power of minus 5. So this will be 2 to the power of 5 minus 8. whole power 5 into 2 to the power of minus 5. And this will be 5 minus 8 minus 3 and 5 outside into 2 to the power of minus 5. Now this will be 2 raised to the power of minus 15. And this minus 5 is added. It will be 2 to the power of minus 20. The next one, minus 4 to the power of minus 3 into 5 to the power of minus 3 into minus 5 to the power of minus 3. Here the bases are different, but the powers are same. So we can put it in a single bracket, minus 4 into 5 into minus 5 and the whole power minus 3. Now this will be minus 4 into minus 5, minus into minus will be plus. So we can avoid the whole of minus signs. So this will be 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So your answer will be 2 to the, and here there is a minus 3 sign. So this will be 2 to the power of minus 6. Here it is 2 squared and the whole power minus 3 will be 2 to the power of minus 6 into again 5 to the power of minus 6. Now you can write it within brackets 2 into 5 whole power minus 6. The next one, minus 3 raised to the power of 4 into 5 upon 3 raised to the power of minus 4. So this will remain as it is. This can be written as 5 to the power of minus 4 upon 3 to the power of minus 4. Let us keep 5 to the power of minus 4 here only, and this 3 to the power of minus 4 will come up 3 to the power of 4. Now this will be, we can multiply these two and add the powers. It will be 3 to the power of 4 plus 4 into 5 to the power of minus 4, sorry. So this will be 3 to the power of 8 into 5 to the power of minus 4. Another important question, this type of sums you will definitely get in your exams. Find m so that minus 3 raised to the power of m plus 1 into minus 3 raised to the power of 5 equal to minus 3 raised to the power of 7. Bases are same everywhere. First of all, because of the multiplication sign, we will add minus 3 raised to the power of m plus 1 plus 5. And this remain as it is. And this will be minus 3 raised to the power of m plus 6 equal to minus 3 raised to the power of 7. Now since the bases are same, you can equate the powers. It will be m plus 6 equal to 7, m equal to 7 minus 6 equal to 1. Another one, simplify 1 by 3 raised to the power of minus 2 minus 1 by 2 raised to the power of minus 3. Now the whole thing is in a bracket. Then the division sign 1 by 4 raised to the power of minus 2. Now what happens? When you write this one within the bracket, you should get, this will become 3 raised to the power of 2. And this will be 2 raised to the power of 3 within bracket divided by 4 to the power of 2. This is 9 minus 8. You cannot apply laws of exponents here. Here also and here also. Now the thing is, it will be 9 minus 8 divided by 16. That will be 1 by 16. Here there are some sums which you have to write in the exponential form here and in the standard form here. These are meant for practices only. Different type of sums are there. 0. This many zeros, 85. That will be 8.5 into 10 to the power of minus 12. This is in the decimal form. Up to here, up to 8, there will be 12 digits. So you will get 10 to the power of minus 12. This will be 9.42 into 10 to the power of minus 12. This will be 6.02 into 10 to the power of 15. From here till this 0 there will be 15 digits. The next one will be 8.37 into 10 to the power of minus 9 up to 8 there will be 9 digits. 3.186 up to here into 10 to the power of 10 from here till 1. Standard form. 3.02 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Since the minus 6 is there, you will get in this form. Minus 6 means from here, from 3 onwards, if you count backwards, there should be 6 terms including 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is the standard form. 4.5 into 10 to the power of 4. There should be 4 digits including this 5. So 4, 5, 3 zeros. Next one, 3 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Once again it will be 0.000, 000 and 03. 1.001 into 10 to the power of 9. 9 means here there are 4 places. Now you have to add 5 zeros. 5.8 into 10 to the power of 12. The same way 5, 8 and here only one digit is there. So you will add 11 zeros. The next one 3.61492 into 10 to the power of 6. Once again here there are 5 digits but here it is 6. So you add one more 0. So this one is equal to this one. This is a conversion table of different values. These are all there in your textbook also. This is a type of ready reckoner only. You may be able to use it sometimes. That is the reason why I have included in this video. That is the end of my present video. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel.